everyone, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to this amazing Dollar Tree haul. As you can see, I found the Snowman, the vintage Snowman tin that stands up. I guess you call that a decor. It has a little wire here that helps it to stand up just like the Santa back there. And my husband thinks he's going to take the Santa, but I don't think he is. Anyway, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you are looking for some stocking stuffers, junk journaling things, some Christmas decoration, just about anything, I found it at Dollar Tree. And so I want to show you. I hope this won't be too long so that you can get out and go shopping. So anyway, if you're new, post below, say where you're from. I'd just like to meet you. If you're part of my YouTube family, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Let's jump in. All right, so I did pick up a couple of these, the larger one and the smaller one. Does anybody know what these are good for? I couldn't find them at all last year. We are going to make a lighted snowman. Yay! All right, so lighted snowman. Yay! Okay, then I found the Christmas tree plates and dishes and cups and mugs. They are so beautiful. I saw someone had hauled these and I kept looking and looking. And I thought, well, maybe we won't get them this year, but we did. And only one store though. So these are the bowls. So if you're looking for something fun to put treats in to give to somebody, this is awesome. So you could put little cakes in a little bag and give them this, or you could use it yourself. Isn't it beautiful? So I love the trees, by the way. This is gorgeous. Let me get this out. I'll show you the plate. I did not buy the mug. I do have a lot of mugs, so, but look at the plate. Look at that plate. It is beautiful. And this would also be nice for treats to be on. If you're going to do several mugs for somebody and you want to decorate them, you could put candies in them or cocoa or that kind of thing, and then put them on the plate, and then put the plate in one of the bags like you would a gift bag. And it makes such a cute, nice, present for someone. Like if you're wanting to do something for your teachers at school or do something for your office. Anyway, that is a really fun thing to do. I did get this mug, however. It's really cute. It says joy and it has the plaid. I got the dish towels previously. I believe I shared those with you already. And then I did get one bowl, which I thought would be fun. It says home for the holidays on the inside of the bowl. Isn't that cute? So I thought those would be really fun for this year. And then for great gifts too, to hold the gift. And then some fun tissue. So this says fa la 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 la, joy to the world. And it's kind of got the blues and golds. Just thought it was pretty. I always try to pick up tissue at Dollar Tree. So to go along with the idea that maybe you want to do holiday mugs and do maybe hot chocolate, you can put the hot chocolate mix, you can put candies, you can put candy cane and just some little chocolate treats. But also put like a little snowflake on there. It just adds to the Christmassy feel. And so I did get some of those. You get 10 in each package. So that's a good deal. I did again pick up the marshmallow candy Santas because all the other ones are gone. Just saying. All right, if you're looking for stocking stuffers too. So I've got a myriad of things here. So I'm just gonna show you. And I did get me a little tree headband because I am going to be doing Vlogmas, and I probably need to get a couple of different ones because I really want to, like do it right. The tag needs to come off, don't you think? Let's get that tag off. I think it looks awesome, to be honest. That tag needs to come off too. There we go. Now it looks so festive, right? So I did find this ornament, and it is really pretty. They had another one. I wasn't too keen on it, but I love the deer with the tree and snow. It's beautiful. It's kind of see-through, and it's burlap. That would be fun too. Also, so talking about junk journals. Now, this is going to be all over the place just because it's however they bagged it, right? All right, these are erasers. Yes. Now, I used to buy the pen size, but look, it's a hand size. And the eraser, you can move it up and down with this. Let me just show you. I love this. I don't know why they never thought of this before. So here's your eraser, and you can move it up or down as you use it, and you need more eraser. Awesome. I love it. Okay, so you get 2 of those. $1.25. Yes, it is a Dollar Tree, but everything is $1.25 unless you're buying plus, and it's $3 or $5, which this was $5, and he's so cute. Okay, now I purchased these for giveaways for our kids' church, and they are so cute, and let me show you what they are. If you need a stocking stuffer, you have a little crafter, or maybe you are, they're diamond painting keychains. Look at that. So you get all the little rhinestones that you need. You get your your tool to apply them, and your little glue. So your little glue. I think you get your glue, don't you? Do you get your glue? Let me check. One moment, please. I'm serious. There are bloopers. Okay. Anyway, I opened one of these packages. Everything is here that you need. You get the cupcake. You get a wood piece. Then you get this sticky piece that you will put onto here, and you just keep this cover over it until you apply everything. So like if you only do part of it in one sitting, then you can cover this back up over it to protect it. You get your keychain ring. You get all of your little dots. Now these are tiny, so it would not be appropriate for really little children. You get your applicating tool. You get your wax that sticks into the end there, and you get your little tray, which has ridges in it and makes it so much easier, plus your instructions. So for $1.25, a diamond painting kit. Serious? I know, it's awesome. So they have the cupcake, they have a little cactus, and these are all keychains and a butterfly, which is really pretty. So run to get those, run. Okay, for my junk journal gals and guys, if you are, look what I found at Dollar Tree. Somebody I talked to was looking for these, and I know you can print them online, but what if you don't have a printer? Well, Dollar Tree has these columnar pads. These are ledger paper. You can use them for accounting or whatever, or you know, if you do reconcile your account. But junk journals, we use these for junk journals all the time. For $1.25, you get 25 sheets. Then look, time cards. Unbelievable. Now, time cards are used all the time in junk journals, and these are really fun to decorate and make a part of your page layout. And look here, you get time cards. You get 50 in a package, and I believe these are sheets. They're not, let me see, let me just open one real quick. They're not heavy cardstock, but you don't really have to have that. So let's see. Let me go ahead and open it so I can tell you, because this is the first time I've ever seen this at Dollar Tree. So they are thicker. They are thicker. They're double-sided. Look at that. They're not just thin sheets. Yay! I have never, ever seen time cards at Dollar Tree. They must be hearing us talk, you know, in the background, saying, oh yeah, those junk journal gals, they need some stuff and we gotta supply it. That's right. All right. Epsom salt, Dollar Tree. $1.25, unscented Epsom salt. can use this as snow. Like if you're doing a like a little globe, use this, and it's really inexpensive for the amount that you get. So, and it kind of looks iridescent in a way. So you get 16 ounces. Then I wanted to do a ho ho ho, and so I got some bells, but I'm having trouble finding my wood and my shapes. So I did get some red bells, but I might need red. I have some gold ones, but I need red. And then some assorted Christmas chocolates. These are gonna go in my basket for the couriers that deliver our packages. I do that every single year. I put it out by my door. I have a little message in the basket, and it's got snacks and drinks and candies in it. And I just say thank you for doing that. So for taking the time to come out in the cold and deliver my packages. This is a glue gun pad, and I got the blue. How nice is that? Yeah, it's the silicone pad. So sometimes you don't need a great big one. You just need one big enough to catch the glue from your glue gun. Unless you have the kind of glue gun that doesn't drip. All right, they have their little bears out for Christmas stockings, Christmas arrangements. Put them on a wreath. There you go. Very, very cute. Then I hadn't seen this either, this board at Dollar Tree, and they had two different ones, and it's a weekly planner board, and they had this style and this style, and it's for 2024, it says, but it doesn't have dates on it or anything. It says goals for the week. It has your little, it's kind of like a little dashboard that you might put in a happy planner, but this will hang on your wall or on your refrigerator if you have like the little hook, or if you wanted to put magnets on the back, you could. And then this one also, so it's really cute. I like it a lot. And I think I could use this, and maybe someone else could too. What a nice little gift maybe to give someone. I told you I have a really incredible haul, so hold on, I got more. All right, these little critters are adorable. Ooh. Oh well. This one is a cute deer. And I love that they're laying down like they're made for that. And then this is the little snowman or a duck. I think it's a snowman. Is that not a snowman? What do you think? I think it's a, well, it looks like, I'm saying it's a snowman. It's Christmas. All right, then they had sugar vanilla bath bombs. You get 4 wrapped in this beautiful foil, and they smell like sugar vanilla. So if you're looking to make maybe a little basket for someone that's like treat yourself, pamper yourself, a spa basket, bath bombs are really fun, and these gold ones would be really festive. Then I did pick up this set of little gel pens. They are the mini pens, but they're perfect for junk journals, especially if you're gonna put like a little pen holder on your folio or on your junk journal and just stick a little pen in there, especially if you're using the minis, if you're doing a mini one. Then I found glitter chalk. Really? Is that awesome? 5 huge chalk pieces, and they have glitter in them. Now I have seen glitter chalk before, but not at Dollar Tree. Now this is a headband to put on when you're washing your face, or so another spa basket idea. And I had one like this, and my dog thought it was a toy. And he would come and take it out of my basket, you know, like that had my lotions and creams in it all the time. And so I no longer have it. But what a fun gift to give someone, again, if you're doing the spa kind of basket. So that's a good idea. Then lastly, the very last thing was a $5 item, and it's the fleece leggings. And I went up a size just because I wanted to make sure it would fit, because you know, you never know how they make these leggings, but they're fleece on the inside to keep your legs warm. So anyway, got that. And then the last two things are some ornaments to hang from my decoration I'm gonna do up there. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. There's so many good things here. What's your favorite? What are you looking for at Dollar Tree? And since this is posting today, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have a wonderful holiday with your friends. Watch for Vlogmas and Countdown to Christmas starting December 1st. Bye. If you're new, post below, say hello, where you're from. Okay, I feel crooked. So I've got it ready to go. I think I've got them upside down. Do I? Nope, I had them right. Where are my glasses? Let's see, do we get the glue? Was I not recording? Seriously, was I not recording? Was I recording?